So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey! Whoa, look at what it is! It's a bulldozer! Are you ready to learn about bulldozers with me? Yeah! Let's go! Now it's time to operate the bulldozer! Woo! Come on! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Not so fast! Before we operate the bulldozer, we need our safety equipment. Whoa! Look! I have my hard hat on. Yeah! And my safety vest. Ooh! Orange and yellow. Now we're ready. Come on! Was a big bulldozer push. What is this? This looks like a vacuum from the 1600s. And it's in our way. So I think we should bulldoze the vacuum. Are you ready to learn about the parts of the bulldozer with me? Yeah, let's go! Let's go to the front. Whoa! Wow! This right here is the blade. And the blade is used to push anything and everything out of its way. Whoa! Do you see up there? Those are the sweeps. And when the blade pushes large trees out of its way, if the tree falls down, it won't hit the driver in the cab. The cab! Whoa! Up there is the cab. Yeah, that's where the driver and the operator sits. That's so cool. Whoa, and look at these. Wow, these are the tracks. Whoa, the tracks are really useful for going over mud, dirt, rocks, debris, anything, and it won't even get stuck. Oh, and look at this compartment. Whoa, this compartment, yeah, is full of the hydraulics. It powers the blade, the tracks, and the scratchy-mabobs. Oh, come here! I love the scratchy-mabobs. Yeah, these, also known as the Ripper, rips up anything and everything on the ground, so it makes it nice and soft for the bulldozer. And another compartment. Whoa. This compartment is the electrical compartment, and it has 2 batteries because this machine is so big. Oh, and I almost forgot, the engine. Come over here. That engine is so massive, and this machine is so cool. Hey, I was just doing the Dozer Dance. Will you do the Dozer Dance with me? Yeah, I'll teach you. Okay, first you raise up your hands and your arms and act like you have a bulldozer blade, like this. Okay, and then you move your feet like the bulldozer tracks. So it looks like this. Good job! Okay, I have a really fun game. We'll do the Dozer Dance when we hear the music, but when you don't hear music and it stops, you need to freeze. Yeah! Okay, are you ready? Okay.
Listen.
Hold your arms out, march in place. Left foot, right foot, keep the pace. Move your arms up and down. Crouch and crouch down to the ground. Turn your hands. Bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
We're dancing like a bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
We're dancing like a bulldozer. Bulldozer dance. Stand up tall on 2 feet, from side to side, bounce to the beat. Raise your left knee, raise your right, raise your arms and raise them high. Bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
Bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
We're dancing like a bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
We're dancing like a bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
We're dancing like a bulldozer. Dancing like a bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
It's a bulldozer dance.
Whoa! We are inside the bulldozer. Before we operate the bulldozer, we need, our seatbelt on. Okay, let's buckle that in. Okay, there we go. Oh, and look at this. Wow, this is the instrument cluster. See? The lights, the windshield wipers, and the key. And once you turn it on, then from there, the bulldozer has power! And right here, this joystick, whoa! When you push forward, it goes forward. Backward, you reverse, left, and go right! Wow! And this joystick over here, whoa! This operates the blade. So, left, right, down, and up! Ooh! And this operates the ripper. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. What I'm doing here is bulldozing down some old dead trees. So then it'll make some room so we can plant some new ones.
Yeah! Did you see that? Yeah! I love bulldozers!
bulldozers are such amazing pieces of machinery. Now it's time for the Bulldozer Song.
Bulldozer, clearing the land. Bulldozer, pushing rubble and sand. Bulldozer, constructing the roads. Move over, it's about to roll. It's a yellow tracked machine, found on mines, farms, and factories. It can push most anything. Bulldozers stirring up debris. Bulldozers help the farmers work by breaking up rocks and digging in the dirt. With the blade on the front and a claw on the back, it can help you build a home just like that. Whoa, it's on a roll. Bulldozer. And they can move through some rough terrain. They can move all kinds of things. Bulldozer, clearing the land. Bulldozer, pushing rubble and sand. Bulldozer, constructing the roads. Move over, it's about to roll. Bulldozer, clearing the land. Bulldozer, pushing rubble and sand. Bulldozer, constructing the roads. Move over, it's about to roll. Roll on, bulldozer.
You better move over, here comes the
It's a yellow
bulldozer.
machine. Roll on, bulldozer.
You better move over, here comes the
It's a yellow
bulldozer.
machine.
Woohoo! Woohoo! That was so much fun learning about bulldozers with you. Well, you gotta keep on keeping on. Life's a garden. Dig it. You just gotta make it work for you. So, anywho, if you wanna watch more of my videos, you know what to do, right? Yeah, just search for my name. Blippi. Blippi. Good job. All right, see you later. Whoa! Oh, look at what it is! This is a motorcycle! And today, you and I are gonna learn about motorcycles! Woo! Woo! Hello! Whoa, this motorcycle is so magnificent! Do you want to know why I like motorcycles? Because they have 2 wheels and tires. Whoa. 1, 2. Let's look at the front one. Wow. Look at it spin. Whoa. Whoa. Let's go to the back wheel and tire. Whoa, look at this back wheel and tire. Wow, look at it spin. Wait a second. Do you see what I see? Yeah, it's a person. Let's go meet him. Come on. Hello.
Hey there.
What's your name?
Hunter Yoder. What's
Ooh.
yours?
Ooh, my name's Blippi. Nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you.
Ooh, is this your motorcycle?
Yep, it sure is.
Whoa, what do you do with it?
I get to practice on these cool tracks and get to race all around the country.
Whoa, you get to race motorcycles?
Yep.
So that means you're really fast?
Yeah?
Whoa, will you teach me how to ride motorcycles?
Sure, Blippi.
Awesome. All right, meet you out on the track.
See ya.
Did you hear that? Hunter Yoder is gonna teach me how to ride motorcycles. I am so excited. Let's go. All right, I am so excited to ride. But first, before we ride, we need to inspect the motorcycle. Come on. Whoa, as you know, this is the front wheel and tire. Whoa! And it's connected to the front suspension, which then gives when you go over big bumps and rocks. Whoa! Whoa! And look down here. This is the front brake, and that is the disc that the brake crunches to stop. Wow. Ooh, and the front fender, so then you don't get mud and stuff in your face when you're riding. Wow, whoa! Ooh, and look at this. This is the gas tank. This is where you put in all of the gas. Hello? All right, let's close that back up. All right, nice and snug. Ooh, and look down here. Whoa, this is the engine of the motorcycle. Wow, it looks so powerful. Hey, we should turn on the motorcycle. All right, okay, check this out. This is the start button. It's kind of like the key in a car, but you have no key. You just push the button. Listen. Whoa! Yeah! Whoa, do you hear that? A lot of the sound of the motorcycle comes from the muffler, and the muffler is where all of the exhaust comes from. Whoa! All right, come here. This is the throttle. When you turn this is what provides all the power to the engine because fuel goes into the engine. Listen. Whoa, so loud! Let's turn it off for now. All right, and look, that throttle, and this over here, these are the hand grips. This is where you steer the motorcycle from. And then you have your front brake right here. Yeah, that's what I showed you earlier, the front brake. This is how you control it. You just pull it in, and then the clutch. Yep. Ooh, yeah, let's see what else there is back here. Oh, hey, foot pegs. This is where you rest your feet. And right next to this right foot peg, there is the rear brake. See? You push it with your foot, just like in a car. Wow. Ooh, and back here, this is the rear suspension right in there. It's kind of hard to see. Looks like a spring. Ooh, and check this out. This is the rear wheel and tire. Ooh, and do you see these knobs? Whoa, look. These little knobs right here, this is called the tread of the tire. It goes in the dirt and grabs everything in its path, so then it doesn't slip and slide. Whoa! All right, now let's go ride. Woo! Now that we inspected the motorcycle, it's time to ride. Rim, rim, rim! Let's go! Oh, yeah! What a beautiful day it is to ride. Got the sun shining, the wind in my face. Yeah, I'm ready. Huh, wait a second. Am I forgetting something? Oh, how could I have forgotten? The safety equipment. All right, let's put the kickstand down. Whoa, yeah, wow. I almost forgot the safety equipment. Whoa, woo, check me out. Whoa, yeah, I have my helmet on, which keeps my head safe. Ooh, and look, my goggles, which keep my eyes safe while riding. Ring, ring, ring. Ooh, my sweet top. Yeah, it's a nice orange shirt. Ooh, and some nice gloves to keep my hands safe. Ooh, my pants. Yep, gotta wear pants while riding. And my boots. Yeah. All right, now we're ready to ride. motorcycles. Whoa! Hey, will you check this out with me? Yeah, let's check out the colors. Okay, so first, as you can see, I am wearing the color orange. Woohoo! And I have a little bit of blue. See? But let's check out the motorcycle. Come here. Whoa. This motorcycle has the color red on it. Whoa. It's so pretty. And it has the color white on it. And black. Ooh. And do you see another color? It's really shiny. Yeah, it's silver. Whoa, silver kind of looks like gray. Whoa, all right. Let's continue to ride the motorcycle.
This is my Honda CRF 150R. It has a cool engine package and tuned up suspension that's set up just for me, so I can race around the whole country and go super fast on the tracks. And this is all done by Factory Connection Amsoil Honda.
Woo-hoo-hoo! And today I am riding a CRF 230F. It's pretty rad. I love it. All right, Hunter, you ready to race?
Yes, Blippi.
All right, here we go. Start your engine. All right. Red, yellow, green.
Riding dirt bikes is a fun sport because you can do it with your parents, your siblings, your cousins, anybody. And you can choose to ride in the desert where it's open and free, or you could come to a track like this and race against other people and see who will come out on top.
And my favorite part about riding motorcycles is not falling. I sure do love riding motorcycles. Whoa, see this motorcycle? It's really big. Cool. And this motorcycle is really small. The great thing about motorcycles is even someone like you can ride it. Let's go. I call a wheelie. Whoa! I really enjoyed learning about motorcycles with you. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Let's spell my name together. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Good job. See you again. Bye-bye. Hey! It's me, Blippi. Whoa! And look at what it is. Whoa! It's an airplane! Today, I'm at Air and Air at the Boeing Field in Seattle, Washington. And you and I are gonna learn about, yep, airplanes. Woo! Whoa! Whoa! Hey, let's learn the exterior parts of the airplane. Do you see this? This is the nose of the airplane. Do you know why it's called the nose? Yeah, because it looks like a nose. Oh, hey, come over here. Up here, those are the windscreens. They kind of look like windshields. Yeah, just like in cars. Whoa, so you don't get a bunch of bugs in your mouth. Whoa, check out down here. Whoa, kind of looks like a wheel and a tire. Wait a second, that's because it is a wheel and a tire. This is the nose gear. This helps the airplane while it's on the ground. Whoa! This is the cabin entry door. Check it out. Woo! Now we can go inside. Hello? Hello? Okay. Whoa! Whoa, look down here! It's another landing gear. This is the main landing gear. Yeah, it's another wheel and a tire. And there's another one on the other side. Oh, and the windows! Look! That's where the passengers look out from. Hello! Hey, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! Whoa, good job! Whoa, what is this? It's a wing! Whoa! Whoa! It's so long! Wow, and it's so shiny! Look! Hello! Hey! Oh! Ooh, come back over here! Wow, that is the jet engine. Do you see it spin in a circle? Whoa, around and around it goes. That's what provides the airplane with all of its power. Whoa! Come on! Whoa, and the main body of the aircraft is called a fuselage. Let's go to the back. Oh, wait, see that? That is the empennage. Yeah, the back of the aircraft. Ooh, and in here, there's a cargo compartment. You have to open up, just like this. Okay, here we go. Whoa. You can store a lot of bags in there. Whoa! Oh! And look up here! Wow! That is the horizontal stabilizer fin. That is the vertical stabilizer fin. It helps the aircraft be nice and stable in the air. Whoa! Ooh, another compartment. Wow. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Whoa! Check it out, a bunch of engine stuff. Whoa, so interesting. Hey, I have another compartment to show you. Whoa! Whoa, look! Huh, what does this say? Fuel. 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 Oh, yeah! This is the fuel compartment. What? Whoa! Check it out! Yeah, that's where the fuel goes. Fuel is kind of like food or water to you and I. Whoa! It's what powers and provides fuel to the jet engine. Whoa! Whee! Whoa! This plane is pretty awesome! There are so many types of planes out there, like this one. This plane is a business plane, and it's a passenger plane. And there's also leisure planes. They look pretty similar. There are agriculture planes. Whoa! There's also cargo planes. Whoa! They can hold a lot of cargo. Hey, yeah, seaplanes. Whoa! Seaplanes can land on land. Ooh, and military planes. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, there are so many types of planes out there. I love planes. Now, let's take a flight inside the airplane. Come on. This is gonna be so much fun. Ooh, watch your step. Come on. Whoa, check it out over here. Wow, this is the cockpit, and those are the pilots.
Hello.
Hi. Oh, let's take a seat. Whoa, just like in a car, there's seat belts. Yep, first things first, safety first. You have to buckle up. Okay, this is gonna be so much fun. Whoa! This is cool. Hey, since we're not up in the air yet, let's go check out what the pilots are up to. Whoa, can you see? It's kind of like they're driving a car, but it's actually an airplane. Look!
not touching the ground at all. Here, look. Whoa, did you see that? That's downtown Seattle. And I saw the Seattle Space Needle. Whoa! Wow! That was so much fun flying in this airplane. Hey, maybe next time you travel, you might be able to fly in an airplane. And don't worry, it's not scary. It's actually really safe. Hey, I was just doing the airplane dance. Will you do the airplane dance with me? This is gonna be so much fun. Here, I'll teach you. First, you put up your arms like you're an airplane. Whoa! Whoa! And you dance when you hear the music. But when the music stops, don't move a muscle. Ready? I sure do love acting like an airplane. So peaceful flying in the air. Whoa, it's like I'm a bird. Wait, no, I'm an airplane. Hey, how about we sing the airplane song?
Airplanes, airplanes, flying all around the sky. Airplanes, airplanes, flying way up high. Some airplanes are as big as a building, some are as small as a car.
That's amazing.
Some airplanes transport people, some fly near to the stars.
That's far.
Some airplanes fly with propellers, some airplanes fly with jet engines. I love to look up and see their wings waving down at me.
Hey, airplane.
Airplanes, airplanes, flying all around the sky. Airplanes, airplanes, flying way up high. Some airplanes can land on water, but most land on landing strips.
So versatile.
Some airplanes fly just for fun, some fly for business trips.
Business or pleasure.
You can make an airplane out of paper, throw it in the air and watch it go.
go inside the airplane. Come on! Whoa! Wow! This airplane is so nice! Hey, look! It's a seat, ready just for me. Safety first, you have to buckle up. Ooh, and check this out. Wow! It's like a desk where I can do all of my editing on. Oh, enough of that. I need some water. You have to always remember to hydrate. After a long day of playing, you need to drink a lot of water. Okay, let's put the desk back. Perfect. Ooh, and check out back here. Check it out. It's a sink. Whoa, you can wash your hands right there. It's really important to keep your hands nice and clean. Ooh, and what's this? Aw, looks like a seat, but there's no seat belt. Huh. Whoa! We know what that is. Yeah, that's if you need to use the restroom when you're in the air. Whoa. Wow, I have an idea. Let's go check out the cockpit. Come on! Whoa! Whoa! This is a really tight squeeze. I don't think the Empire had Wookiees in mind when they designed this cockpit. Okay, anywho, first things first. Safety first. Let's buckle up. Okay. Lap belt secured. And then we need our headset. Hello? Can you hear me? Hey, yeah! Woo! Tower! This is Pilot Blippi. We're ready for takeoff.
Okay, Pilot Blippi, you're good to go.
Yeah, good job. Okay, then you grab the yoke. Whoa, look! Both yokes move at the same time. Whee! Yokes are kind of like steering wheels in a car. Whoa, and look at all of this! There's so many cool gadgets and avionics and buttons. I'm not gonna touch them for now. Ooh, and the throttle. Ooh. Push that forward, and then that's when you go really fast. Whoa! Ooh, and once you're in the air, this is the landing gear. Pull that up, and then the wheels and tires go inside the aircraft. Whoa! Airplanes are so cool. Hello! Whoa! That was so much fun learning about airplanes with you. Well, I should probably get going now. This is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Blippi. Blippi, good job. Thank you so much to Air and Air. Bye-bye.
So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout.